had
A missile?
a rocket, idiot.
Literally why?
Astro lives on the moon, right?
He isn't on the moon. He's the moon.
Same thing, fish breath. If we go to the moon, we can talk to him directly.
Wait, where the hell did he even get this rocket?
I built the rocket.
You're gonna just rocket, but by scraps?
Dude, Scraps is a great engineer. She built V's TV show set.
Calm down, Conrad. It's plenty safe, see? Well, that was a complete failure.